What's good, y'all? What's good, man? So today, I got two things. Oh, come on, car. I got two things on the agenda. I gotta check my brake pads and my rotors to see if I gotta switch front and back or what gotta get replaced. And I gotta get my shifter welded. Remember this shit? Yeah. I gotta get that shit welded and shit up. You know what I'm saying? Weld a little bolt on it and just screw it down. That's all I gotta do for today, though. Hopefully I get both of them shits done. We'll fucking see. I wanted to fucking let y'all know too that, and y'all check my videos. It said that she got the wagon. It said that my second ride for the 2019 season. My first ride was actually a ride to BBQs for my birthday and shit. When we was inside, I was, showing everybody that came out, show love and all that. What happened was the video never uploaded. I went to upload it, but I accidentally deleted the original video. So when it didn't upload, I didn't have the video anymore. So I had to delete the fucking draft or whatever it was. So I lost out on my first video for my 2019 riding season, man. I'm sad about that shit. That shit was like 30-something minutes long too, man. But it is what it is. Missed out on the first, but I got the second vid, and we got more shit coming soon too. I just want to let y'all know, man. It's okay. There's plenty more videos to come. But yeah, but that's about it. But like I said, hopefully today I get this shit done. I only put 2 shit on the agenda, so hopefully, you know what I mean. But yeah, that's about it though. I'm tired. I'm always fucking tired. But that's all. Oh, peace. There you go. So, I finally got something done. Let's get in. Looky here. Look what we got here. Let's open this up. Look what I finally got done. I went to the tire spot. My spot used to do work on my range. They said the front is good. Back's about 40%. So I got to change my brakes yet. And I got this welded. So what I gotta do now is file this shit down. Right here. The grinder would be way better, but sparks. I want that nice smooth feeling to it. Okay, it's not bad right here. Just right here is left. Actually, I can close this. A little bit more. Oh man, I'm gonna file this shit down. Damn, what's supposed to file that? Man, so I nipped this shit right here. Fuck. Alright, let me cut this off. And I finished up. One was done, and now I'll show the finished product. Alright. I was also telling me I did the well was get some mother's polish. I gotta polish this shit, get the black out, and then it'll just probably polish down here too. Get that chrome, make it look good. Damn, I keep fucking knitting the damn thing. Alright, fuck it. Fuck it. There we go. Yeah, boy. Shit feel good too, shifted, man. Got to fucking clean the fucking car out. I just gotta just polish around here and yeah, that's it. Gucci. Alright.